major warning in this video, because in the next couple of days we can expect some crazy volatility. There is so much stuff going on, and on the agenda it is absolutely crazy. In a little bit from now we have Fed Chair Powell who's testifying, and you betcha that whatever he is saying, it is under a freaking microscope, and it will definitely move the markets. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have CPI, and we have again Powell testifying. That CPI is also going to be a major one. Inflation in the United States. Why is that big? Well, because in the last couple months we have seen that the reading of the inflation is higher and higher and higher, from 2.4, 2.6, 2.7, 2.9, and you actually do not want to see this keep on increasing, because then of course, and during the hearing they will also ask him what he will do if inflation keeps on rising up. And this actually is starting to look pretty bad. It's okay if you have a few bad readings, but now we already have 4 months in a row. If we have another bad reading, so above the 2.9, I'm afraid that the central bank is forced to increase the rates again, and this will cause absolutely a shockwave all over the market. If that's not enough, then we're still in earnings seasons. We have some major companies this week coming out with earnings. For example, Coca-Cola, we have Cisco, McDonald's, Shopify. I think also somewhere here have Coinbase still in there. So still some very big companies coming with earnings that would also definitely move the market. Careful with tech stocks. If we see a few of the big tech companies giving some bad earnings, then that will definitely move the markets or move the stock. So again, a big wave and a big warning there for you. If we're just looking at BTC, not a whole lot is going on. We're in a little bit of a tight range here, a couple percent in the last couple of days. ETH, pretty much the same. Also not a whole lot is going on. Very tight trading range, approximately 4 or 5% over the last couple of days. The action is absolutely at all of the altcoins. It is insane. Some of these altcoins go absolutely bananas. For example, if I'm looking here at SPX, that is something that I have been looking at. As you can see, I've also done some TA. Just here from the top to the bottom, we're talking about plus 40% in a day in 12 hours. Absolutely insane. Let me see if I can pull a few more for you up. Bobcat, for example. This thing has also had a major rally here off this double S&P level with a very area low. Crazy, insane gains. We're talking about 63% in approximately 2 days. Trump coin, still trash. It is keep on selling off. I mean, look at that, constantly making lower highs, lower lows. This coin is absolutely going to zero. So this has been absolutely trash. This was the short play here in this market. Bera is also something that has been released that is just constantly being sold off. However, just this move up here from the last couple of days, absolutely insane. I mean, look at this, 32% in a day and 4 hours. This could have been a major play. So that it just gives us a lot of opportunities. And then there's one more crazy coin that I want to show you. It is Fartcoin right here. And no, that's not a joke. It's really called Fartcoin. And I mean, look at this here from the lows. Absolutely insane. 76-77% over the course of 8 days so far. This structure looks pretty good, but man oh man, I'm not gonna lie, if I look at market Cipher B at some of these altcoins, then I'm thinking, okay, it looks good, but it doesn't look very strong. This is here the SPX on the daily. Maybe we still have a little bit of move to the upside. Some time frames I'm like, I'm not so sure. This is on a 4 hour, wants to load. I mean, it almost looks like it wants to have another move to the downside. However, that will set a lot of coins up for a nice bullish divergence if we're getting it. So you want to see a tight trigger wave momentum, so the money flow going higher, making that the bullish divergence, making a lower low, clear the early longers, and then just to go higher. If I'm looking at Fartcoin, here 4 hour looks pretty much the same. Let me quickly look at the daily. Also here, maybe a little bit move up, but it doesn't look super strong to me. If I'm looking here at Bera, That's a little bit of a new coin, so we don't have that much data, but actually here also it looks like this thing just wants to sell off. I mean, look at the money flow here, the momentum wave. This actually looks pretty bearish. The 4 hour is not printed yet, so please be careful. There is now new coins being launched left and right. It is absolutely insane. Like I said, some of the altcoins are going absolutely bananas. I am waiting for a clear breakout on BTC, but in the meantime, altcoins is where the action is. Altcoins is what you want to play. However, please guys, keep in mind that anything can happen in the next couple days. If Jerome Powell says anything about Trump, about crypto, whatever, you can see price doing it can go absolutely crazy. So once you trade one of these altcoins, you're in profit, you better move your stop loss, you better take profit. This is not the time to be a hero. This is not the time to put in a swing position. There's just too much uncertainty in the market. There's just too much going on, and there's no real significant low being made after we had this major dump here. All what we're seeing right now are just relief rallies here and there. We're just seeing some alts popping off, but nothing says to me, okay, this is it, this is the bottom, now we're going higher from here. It might take still a little bit of time, and if you're then getting stuck in a position right now, that will be a bummer if the real bottom comes in, and let's say a couple days from now or next week. So please be careful. I just want to give you a warning that this is not the time to be a hero. This is not the time where you're going to double your portfolio. Take your profit, move your stop loss, and take it trade by trade, level by level. There is just still so much going on, and you know how it is now with the tariffs. If another country with another tariff, you can see crypto dumping down very fast, and we can take out, whoa, what the hell am I doing? You can see crypto dumping down very fast, taking out this low again. And then people think, oh, this was the low, and then another low, and another low, another low, another low, and you're getting absolutely slashed here on the fees and on the entries and exits. It's absolutely terrible. So please be careful, wait it out, play on the alts, be careful, and once you're in profit, just take the money and run. That is the only warning that I want to give to you today. Guys, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. See you in the next one. Bye bye.